Hey, what's going on, guys? How y'all doing out there? You're back here with Mr. Fox, and today I'm a coffin dancer. And today I'm going to be showing you all how to make loads of money in Papers, Please on Roblox. I know there's like another part called Mescal or whatever. I can't say it correctly, so sorry, guys. Yeah. Anyway, pretty much right now, it happens to work out great. I am level 159, even though I just started playing this game. But a glitch happened, and I have no more money. So I'm going to show you guys how to make loads of money. Right now I'm on a private server. There's not one person in this game. Pretty much, there's a thing where, see this tree right here, right? You can go like this and you can hit start working and you just start clicking, right? And watch what's gonna happen. Right now I have $0, but then in just a second, now I have $3,500. Yeah, super easy to earn money, right? So, here's the catch. In the bank, you can do that, right? So watch what happens when I do this again, right? But I have my mouse over this part where it says like the start working button. And alright, so you actually don't have to click away, but look, the window's not there. But watch what happens when I jump. It's back. So I think you guys already get where I'm going with this. Today, we're going to be setting up an AFK thing in the bank. Super easy, super useful. I mean, I did this overnight and I already have 160 levels. That's crazy. So, after I make it through this minefield, I will get back to you. Okay. Head ready. Let's jump. Alright. Alright, we are in. Now, we simply just hit click right there and it places C4. Okay. Now, the bank is up around this corner. So, yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I'm at the bank. Okay, we are at the bank now, as you can see. Now, we simply walk in here, walk through this door, place C4 there, walk past here. Now, normally in-game, this would be super dangerous because you could get arrested, but when I'm in a private server, not a worry in the world. Now, this is what I'm going to do after that alarm stops. Alright, this is what I'm going to do. Pretty much, I have an auto clicker, so let's pull it out here. It's a free mouse auto clicker. Ask me down below in the comments if you want to have this auto clicker. I'll leave a link down below. It's completely free. No worries. And yeah, alright, so pretty much, let's set this down to like 0.2 of a second. And just leave everything else. Now, what you're going to want to hit is the default keys is Control F2 to start it and Control F3 to stop it. That's going to be useful. So, pretty much I'm going to get something heavy. Like right now I'm just going to place my AirPods on here and I will start jumping. If you have like a macro recorder or something, that will just jump for you. You know, knock yourself out. But for now, I'm just going to use this because I don't really want to download a macro recorder right now. Alright, and then you're going to want to hit Control F2. And now it's just going to be clicking for you. And now, as you can see, it will start working. And then boom, it starts up again. Like just that moment. Just in that little time span, I earned $4,000. The bank is super overpowered. And yeah, it's really nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this here for about an hour or so. And yeah, I'll be back to you guys then. It has been 30 minutes, and right here, as you can see, I have $653,000 from 30 minutes of grinding. Very, very efficient, and it's really good. VIP servers are 50 Robux. If you don't want to do a VIP server, you can simply be a lumberjack or a farmer. They work just the same. It's just, they don't give you as much money. So, yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Also, tell me right now. Oh, that was a little bit too close. Tell me if you like the Coffin Dancer skin, because I can go back to my fox skin, but I could also stay to this skin. You guys can pick. Well, yeah. I will see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, thank you all for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications because I just got Mechanica on Steam. If you don't know what Mechanica is, guess what? You'll figure it out once I post my first gameplay video. Yeah, we're gonna have a full series, alright? First episode. Sorry if I'm unable to continue my Minecraft videos. My PC has been reset, so I have lost my Minecraft world. So, sorry guys, I can't continue my Minecraft episode series, but we can start a Mechanica one and maybe another Minecraft video in the future. So, I hope you guys all enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.